Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I slayed this Mongolian kinky curly closure wig. So if you're interested in that, just keep on watching.
Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, nasty.
So this hair is from the company ISEE hair, and this is what the packaging looks like when you order directly from their website. And this packaging comes with eyelashes, a wig cap, an elastic band, and a hair care guide on how to take care of the hair and contact information to contact the company. So I'm working with the Mongolian Kinky Curly 4x4 closure wig, 18 inches, 150% density, and after I used my $6 off discount code, it came up to $136.91. So this is what the hair looks like freshly out of the package. This is what the curls look like freshly out the package, and this is what the wig cap looks like. This is how it's constructed. It comes with combs and it comes with elastic bands for you to secure the wig onto your head. So I wanted to try on the wig before I do anything to it to see what I'm working with, and I put the elastic bands on the tightest setting to show you guys that it is not coming off. Okay, so I wanted to bleach the knots, so I'm going in with my bleach, my 40 volume developer, a mixing bowl, and some gloves. And I'm just going to use 1 scoop of bleach, and I'm going to kind of eyeball the developer because I'm trying to get a certain consistency. I don't want it to be too runny because I don't want it to bleed through the lace. That will mess me up and it will end up bleaching the hair, and I don't want it too thick. So after I kind of played with it and eyeballed it, this is the consistency that I got, and that's what I went with. So this is how I bleach the knots. This is a normal speed, and now you're gonna see me speeding up. I kind of apply pressure so that it can really get in there, but not too much that it bleaches the actual hair. Make sure you wear gloves on both hands because I ended up bleaching my skin and it was burning really bad. So I'm going to wash off that bleach, and I'm going to stop the bleaching process using my Shimmer Light shampoo, and then I'm going to condition the whole hair with this conditioner. Next, this is how much hair came out after washing it. That's as much shedding that I got, and that's what the bleaching process looks like. So the hair is already pre-plucked, but I wanted to pluck it a little bit more. So I went in and did a little bit more plucking, and that's what I got after I was done, and I liked it like that, and that's how much hair I plucked out. So I'm going in with the foundation shade that matches my skin tone, and I'm just going to put that on the lace closure. And because it's a liquid foundation, I want to seal it with my freeze spray, and I'm going to dry it with my blow dryer. So once I do that, I'm going to take the excess makeup that was on the brush and put that on the cap. But I ended up taking the cap off because I could see the cap through my wig, and I did not like that. So I tried to adjust it, I tried to work with it, but I didn't like it, so I ended up taking it off. So I just put it on my bare head. So once I did that, now I'm going to start working on the closure. So I ended up cutting the closure using a eyebrow razor so that I can get the most natural look. And then I went in with an eyebrow scissor and I cut off the excess lace. So I wanted to do a glueless lace at first, but I needed to attach that elastic band so that it can lay flat. So for now, I'm just going to go in with my Gotspeed glue. It's really gel, it's not actual lace glue, but I'm just going to put a thin layer on there. I'm going to put a thin layer of this freeze spray, and I'm going to dry it until it gets tacky. Honestly, I don't really like using the freeze spray because I feel like it leaves a white and crusty residue once it dries. So once I do that, I see that it's tacky, and now I'm going to lay down the lace. After I lay it down on there, I'm going to use a rat tail comb, and I'm kind of just going to press the lace into the glue, trying to melt it into the skin. And then once I do that, I'm going to go in with my elastic band, and I'm going to tie it down for 10 minutes. So while that's doing its melting process, I'm going to go in with my wax stick, and I'm going to try to flatten down this part because it was a little puffy, and that wasn't the look I was really trying to go for. So once I did that, and it's nice and flat to my liking, I took the elastic band off, and this is what we're working with. Honestly, I could have left it here, but I was being extra and I tried to do edges. Honestly, I'm a beginner at doing wigs, so if you're a beginner, edges can be a little bit rough. They're not going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy, I'm just letting you know now. So I try to practice a method by Slade by Jordan where you try to melt the lace into the skin, and you know, it kind of worked. I was like, ooh, this is like it's growing on my scalp, you know what I mean? So I am trying to do my edges. I'm gonna glue it down with some Gots to Be glue, and it just made the wig look too wiggy. The type of edges I was working with, they were just too thick. I tried plucking it, I tried finessing it, but it just wasn't working out for me. I thought it looked crazy. It just completely changed the look of the wig, and I did not like that. So I was like, let's just get rid of the edges and let's just go back to what we were working with. So I tried to brush it out and I tried to tie it back down. So once I did that, I went into working on the curls. So what I'm doing here is I'm working in sections. I'm going to mist my hair with some water, and then I'm going to use my detangling brush and detangle the hair. And once I do that, I'm going to go in with my curl quenching mousse by Cream of Nature, and I'm heavy-handed, so I used a lot of this product, I'm not gonna lie. And I just finger raked that through my hair, and then I detangled it with my detangling brush to get the curls popping, and my curls were looking amazing. So I did the same thing on the other side, and this is how the curls came out. They look so pretty, right? So then I went in with some Gots to Be glue, and I tried to like gel down my edges, try to make it look like it was my real hair. I went in with some foaming wrap foam, and I tried to lay it down a little bit, get it looking real sleek and sleek. So then I went in with my diffuser, and I'm trying to dry the curls a little bit because I wasn't going for the wet look. So I took the elastic band off, and I'm trying to work with the closure, and I just did not like the way it looked, and I was getting frustrated, so I went off camera, tried to see what I could do, and I ended up cutting the hair, and I ended up doing like a little bang type of vibe, and this is how it came out, and this is how much hair I ended up cutting off. So because I did it off camera, I came back and tried to show you guys how I did it. So I used a razor comb. I didn't want to use scissors because I wasn't trying to go for a blunt look. The razor comb kind of thins it out in a way where it doesn't look like it was a blunt cut. So you just want to pull the curls down and kind of rake it downwards, and that's how I did that. So that you guys don't get confused, I really do like the hair better this way. It looks really pretty. It was giving me like a vibe of like if that was my real hair, so I really liked that. So once I was done with that, I went off camera, dolled myself up, and I came back, and this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts, and smash that subscribe button. If you like videos like this, let me know and I will deliver some more. But I love you guys, Glow Gang, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.